Maximize the look of a low-maintenance lawn with a few simple actions. Spending hours managing your lawn isn't everyone's favorite pastime. A low-maintenance lawn could be just right for you. Here are the tips, tools, and materials you will need. The most important steps for success are mowing, overseeding, and weeding. You'll learn the basics and get a few lawn maintenance tips that'll save you time and money. Mowing frequency is important. Spring and fall are prime mowing times. Mulch mow your lawn by making multiple passes. The goal of mulch mowing is to chop up grass into smaller and smaller pieces that'll break down quickly. As these clippings become smaller, they'll break down and nourish the roots, becoming free fertilizer. Expert tip: when mowing in summer, increase the height of mower blades to encourage root growth. Overseeding: add grass seed to your entire lawn in spring or fall using a seed spreader and fill large bare spots by hand with a lawn patch product. In spring, dethatching or raking to remove dead grass and weeds before overseeding will give you the best results. The goal of dethatching is to remove dead grasses and stems from the lawn area. After overseeding, cover the entire area with a 1/4 inch deep compost. This keeps seeds where you want them. And make sure you keep the seeds moist for a week, either through the rain or light frequent watering. A few more helpful tips. The best time for fall overseeding is around Labor Day weekend because the soil is warm and encourages seed germination. Be sure to water and avoid walking on the newly reseeded area until the grass establishes. What if you have a bunch of weeds in your lawn? Weeding and overseeding work well together. Pull weeds in early spring and then overseed. The key idea with weeds is making sure they don't go to seed. Mow the seed stalks or weeds before they flower to keep them from spreading. Avoid weed and feed products that combine weed killer and fertilizer. Weed and feed products often include more ingredients than your lawn needs at any one point in time. The best time to apply fertilizer is not always the best time to apply herbicide. Another useful tip: hand pull weeds in lawns as needed. Low maintenance lawns are often not irrigated. You can let your lawn go dormant, brown, during the summer by not watering and save time and money. Your lawn will bounce back when the fall rains come. You can help it recover by overseeding around Labor Day. And if you only do 2 things for your low maintenance lawn, just remember, keep the weeds from going to seed by mowing and overseed in the spring or fall.